chapel is very, very instrumental for all of us, regardless of whether you're religious or not. The blessing we have in our democracy is that we have a constitution, First Amendment rights, that allow us to be able to have free religion, to express it or not to express it. And so as you go about your business, I just really pray as your chaplain that you remind everyone here that this chapel's open to every single person, whether they consider themselves religious or not, that this is open, and this is a beacon and a symbol of democracy that many nations do not have that opportunity.